starting on my next multi-gantry, multi-tool head, multi-color project. The foundation of the project is a Voron Trident, backed up by 2 box turtles. First step, print the Trident parts. That didn't take too long on an H2D. Next step, get an LDO 300 by 300 Trident kit, and eventually some Bondtech INDX toolheads. You can follow this project on the Duet3d community forum, link in the description.